Hey y'all, so I'm gonna do another bread. Y'all, I'm just loving this. Okay, 3/4 cup warm milk. I don't know what I said, 3/4 cup is what it was. This is 1/4 cup white sugar. And 2 1/4 teaspoon of yeast. This is the active dry. Can you see it over there? Whisk it up. Put a cover on it. We're gonna wait 5 to 10 minutes. There we go. So this is after 5 minutes. You can wait 10 if you want to, but this is what it looks like when your yeast has been activated. All right, once your yeast has been activated, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of butter, 1 egg, all right, so I just got finished and it's not sticking to the edges anymore. So, super stretchy. It's not sticking to my hands. I just love this. This is so fun. All right, here's my little dough ball. So pretty. All right, give it a couple of little squirts of, that's olive oil of your choice. Swish it around, flip it over. Gonna cover it up and let it rise for an hour. We'll be back. Y'all, this is some homemade cream cheese icing and it is delicious. All right, we have just a little bit longer before the rise is ready, but y'all, let me just tell you, I have made some whipped cream cheese icing. Let me turn it where you can see it. It is, it's perfect. Not too sweet. That's gonna make a delicious cinnamon roll. All right, let's look at it for the first time together. It don't look super big, but I have to remember the very first time I did it, I doubled the recipe, so. All right, let's put me a little bit of flour out. Oh yeah. That's definitely bigger. All right, let's put some on top. All right, I am going to make a rectangle today. All right, here we go. This is just some butter. Brush it over the whole thing. You can say hey to them. They love to see you, Travis.
Oh, no.
Come look at his shirt that he's got on. Come over here. Sorry. Yeah, you're tilted up, but they can see you.
It's good.
I'm excited. Taste that.
Touch your thing, mess it up.
Huh? Taste that cream cheese icing.
Mm-hmm.
How's that?
It's good.
Is it? They're good.
Yep, really good.
Yep, last time I did them in slices and rolled them, so this time I'm trying them this way to see which way I like better.
Roll it and then slice it?
Mm-hmm. They say dental floss slices it really good because you slide it and do that. Yeah, I don't have any fishing string. No, or dental. I mean, I don't have any dental floss either. But you can use a knife. You just have to, don't squash it. You just kind of saw on it. But anyway.
It does look good.
Well, hopefully it will be.
I bet it will be.
All right, so let's see how many cinnamon rolls that brings us. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. It's gonna be a lot of rolls. All right, let's get the pan. All right, there's the cinnamon roll, and I'm just putting a little bit on the bottom and putting it down in the pan. Let me back you up so you can see what I'm doing. Gonna let these rise for an additional 30 minutes, and I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350 degrees. All right, here's the final step. They just finished rising. And before they go in the oven, I'm just gonna add a little heavy whipped cream. They're ready. Straight out of the oven. This is 27 minutes. All right, let me get the cream cheese icing. I'll let them sit here for just a minute and then we'll get them iced. They look so good. Give you the 180 view. Here is the homemade whipped icing. Y'all, I need to get them out of my house right now. They smell so good. And that icing, oh my goodness, it all smells so good. And get some pictures. I need somebody to be doing my taste testing for me. I need to not eat this because I know it's gonna be good. I know it's gonna be good. Wow. Y'all, I wish I could hand deliver all of y'all some of this. Wow. That cream cheese icing is delicious. Mm, 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 mm. You can tell the bottoms are delicious. They're not caramelized. They're just ooey gooey. Oh my gosh, y'all, they are so good. Please eat it. I do not need it. Okay. You're probably thinking, well, quit stuffing your face, woman. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say. Delicious. Definitely need some individual containers to put these in. Get them out of the house. They are so dangerous. All right. Love y'all.